How to add a profile picture to your professional Instagram account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add your profile picture to your professional Instagram account. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram account, and once you're inside here, just head over to your profile section just like this by simply clicking on this bottom right corner over here on your profile icon. So as you can see, I don't have currently any of the profile pictures. So what I will do is just tap on this profile section, and you can see the option called add profile picture. So just tap on this and you will get the option to basically choose your photo, new profile picture from your library, that is your gallery, or you can also take an actual live photo, or you can also import your from your Facebook if you have connected your account to Facebook. So I will just choose from library. So once I'm satisfied with the image, I'll just click on select on any image and I'll just click on done, and just like that my image or profile picture should be successfully added to my account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.